Hello, I'm Princess Elise. You have arrived at the final part of Soleanna's story. Chapter 6. Just Smile. The pair eventually arrived in the Soleanna 10 years ago, before the Solaris project, where the Duke of Soleanna and the young lady were observing Solaris, then only a tiny flame. After the Duke explained his plans for the flame and as they leave, Sonic and the present day I arrive. I took the flame and told Sonic that if the flame was extinguished, it would result in me and Sonic never meeting. Overcome with despair, I began to cry and shouted that I did not care what happened to the rest of the world, only that I and Sonic would never meet. Sonic told me to just smile, meaning to accept life's ways for what they are and to go with the flow, even when things were not going satisfactorily. I considered this and with tears in her eyes and a small smile, gently blew Solaris out from existence, thus erasing the whole game's events and happenings. With this being done, time is reversed back to where the Festival of the Sun is taking place in Soleanna, except that Eggman did not come to abduct me, since there was no so-called Flames of Disaster secret, though Sonic was still visiting the city. As the ceremony is taking place, Sonic rushes past the boat that I was on, and the wind of his rapid pace caused one of the feathers in my hair to detach. After staring in wonder at the floating detached feather for a while, one of my maids commented that it was probably just the wind that gushed by. I was acknowledging that, but stated that this wind felt familiar somehow, and smiled. I then returned to the festival, unaware that Sonic kept a close eye on me the whole time. End of Chapter 6. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.